Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share a note on Instagram. And first you need to open the Instagram app on your phone. Then just click on the DM on the top right corner. Here find the your note. To add note, click on the plus. Enter here some text for your note, and here we can share with followers you follow back, or you can just set the close friends if you need, and then click on the done. And then just click on the share on the top right corner. And for this method we can share our notes on Instagram app. Just click on the share blue button on the top right corner, and this all for this option on Instagram. This all for today. Goodbye.